it's me over here and back to the video. I'm here with
Midnight Skies.
or Fizzy.
Yeah.
Or whatever you want to call her. Except for Pretty Pebbles.
Yeah, no.
Okay, and today we are going to be doing den decorating and the theme is summer.
Okay.
So yeah, we will be right back once we're done. Okay guys, we are back from decorating our den, and we are going to start off with Midnight's den, or Fizzy's den.
So over here is just like this place you can sit when you first come.
Okay, I can't really see it over here because
and a bunch of plants and stuff.
Oh, look at there. Let's put some flowers on there. That's more pretty.
And up here's kind of like the hot tub place.
Oh. Ooh, hot tub, hot tub, hot tub. I like the hot tub. Is it 5 months? I don't know.
And up here is like
Whee!
a little hangout spot. And up there in that room, you can get up there.
Ooh, let's check out these masterpieces. I really like the unicorn one. Uh-oh, it's loading. Let's look at it again. There we go. It's prettier and it fits right perfectly on the screen. And this one. Oh, it's so cute. I love it so much. Alright.
Up here is like with the towels and stuff. Like a changing area. I actually like this stand. I'm proud of it.
You should keep it up then.
I am.
Alright, let's go check out my den now. And then I'll rate. So over here is like, when you first come in, there's a pet fish named Robert the
I'm not even in yet.
I'm just kidding, The fish is not named Robert. I
And
can't even see. Oh, yeah, that's right, because someone came in here. And, alright. So over here, you can't even see it on the screen when I'm doing stuff, but there's a fish. You can't really see it when I'm doing the video. All you can see is the middle, but oh well. Over here is a plant where you can't see either. Here's another plant. There's more plants over here. Tree. And up here is a baby otter. It's super cute. It's a little otter plushie. Then right here is just like a block of something. And technically there's like, whee! Yep, right there's the recycling bin, just in case you have a snack and you want to throw stuff away. And up here's a fun little thing.
Cool. Okay, so I rate yours, a 6 or 7 again.
Okay, I rate yours an 8. So you win.
Okay.
Unless you guys want to pick who the winner is in the comment section below. You can rate both of our dens and and thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and go check out Midnight Skies video if you have not already. And yep, it smelled like that. And yeah, we will see you in the next video. Goodbye.
Bye guys.
And I did the Dan TDM outro if you were wondering.